Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 12R and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the users and accounts or Google. It's up to you which section you prefer. I prefer this one, so let me tap on it and then let's tap on Add Account. Choose Google. And make sure that you've got the internet connection it is required. Here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me quickly do it. And tap on Next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can tap on it and read it, and then tap on I agree. Right here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept, and as you can see we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course you can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on the account, tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.